On Friday, May 22, 2020, the Pakistan International Airways Airbus A320 APBLU passenger jet crashed while attempting a second landing at the Karachi airport after the first attempt failed. During the first landing attempt, the Flight 8303 failed to deploy its landing gear, causing the two CFM56 engines to scrape the runway. The pilots aborted the landing and took off for a go-around. The runway scraping had damaged the engines. 4 minutes later, the flight declared emergency and reported twin-engine failure. The aircraft crashed into a residential area and was completely destroyed in the post-impact fire.